tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. Today I'm going to be cooking for you. Well, hey, surprise, surprise. Right, what I'm going to be doing is quite something, well, it's actually very simple. It's, you could almost say it's like finger food. Is that what you call it? Like, you know, for parties, for kids' parties, it's very small and ready to go and it gets ready quick. Basically what it is sujuk sausages with sliced potatoes. Sorry, I always get them confused. I can never get it right. Potatoes, sliced sujuk sausages. I'm gonna fry them all, put some sauce in it. Bob's your uncle. Stay tuned. Right, guys, what I've got here are potatoes. These have been buttered and it's got some herbs in there already. These are sujuk sausages. So what I'm gonna do is take these. Because I'm gonna get fast forwarded real quick. Okay. This is quick food, guys. So you need to do it quickly. Apart from the peeling of these will take a little bit of time, I guess. Right. Peel it. Throw it. Yeah. Clean hands. That's important. What you wanna do? Slice up your sausages. Okay. These sausages smell nice though. Okay. I'm not gonna force that too much. What you gonna do? Flip these in. What's that? Oh, look at that. They put butter in there and all. That's butter in there all. Look at that. Right, what I'm gonna do, try and do them near enough finish, like a thin slice. We don't want to be too thick. Done. Now, what I'm gonna do, wash my hands. Wash your hands. You always got to wash your hands. And then turn on this. Move. Kaboom. Come on, frying pan. Since they were nice enough to put a butter, I'm going to pour it in there. And then I am going to put these potatoes in. I'm going to fry them a little bit. Okay. In you go. Go on. Get in there. Go on. You know. See how easy that was. Didn't even need to wash them. They already come prepared, washed, ready, nice, good, cooking, ready. Right. Let me get rid of that. We're gonna keep that there because we're gonna need this after. So, let this heat up, let it do its frying thing. We're gonna come back in a couple of minutes. I am not kidding, these potatoes take forever to fry. It's been going on for at least, I would say 10 minutes and we're only at this stage. I mean, some of them are still like, haven't even, you know, changed color really. It's like, what's going on here? Is the heat on? I'm confused. But anyway, what I'm gonna do is, yeah, some of them are a little bit extra crispy. But then again, some of them are just totally not even cooked. I don't know. But here's what I'm gonna do. Some of them, they are cooked, it's fine. What I'm gonna do is empty these out. Let me get this right. Okay, so that's done. What to do now? Get your sausages, pour them in. That's absolutely beautiful. Don't worry about these getting cold. These will get warmed up again. That's not a problem at all. These will get ready quicker, I hope. And put the lid off of this because it's gonna smell. Check this out. Oh my god. That is absolutely beautiful. That is beautiful. That is lovely, jubbly. Look at that. Smelling good, looking good, smelling good, tasting good. Oh my god. Oh my god. This looks beautiful. Oh my god. Guys, honestly, the smell of this is so nice. The only downside to it is it's a strong smell, so your whole house will smell of it. So if you want to do it, close up all your rooms. Close the door in your rooms, or if you've got a closed kitchen, close the door in the kitchen and just keep the smell in there. Otherwise your whole house is gonna smell like sujuk sausages, and yeah, I don't recommend it, but there you go. That is beautiful. Right, this is pretty much all ready as well. Just gonna give it 2 more minutes, not even that, and then just put it in there. Okay, it doesn't matter, these can get mixed out, whatever, it's not a problem anymore. That's not an issue. Out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Did that one drop on the floor? Oh mate, I got some cleaning up to do after this. I hate that part. I got some tomato puree. I think that'll be enough. You want to let it fry a bit, change colour a little bit, okay? So don't rush it, it's fine. Get a bottle of water, put a little bit in. Yeah. Mix it. Oh yes. Oh yes. This is beautiful. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Look at that. Stir it a little bit more. We'll soon find out if I need to put more water in there or not. We don't want it to be juicy. We just want everything to, you know, get a bit of colour in there, I guess. I'm going to add a tiny bit of water. We're good. No more, I promise you that. No more water. It is what it is. If you like it, you like it. You don't like it, keep on watching. Subscribe. Subscribe. Mix it all up. Mix it all up. Oh my god, my stove is a whole mess right now. Who likes cleaning? I don't like cleaning. If anyone wants to volunteer to come and clean after my cooking, please get in touch below. Send me a DM. Send me a comment on the YouTube channel. I'll get back to you. Leave me your Instagram details. Whatever. Let me know. Let me know. I need help. Okay. Now, what I'm gonna do, all of these are gonna go in there, okay? Oh boy. Big mess. Okay. What you wanna do? Oh my god. Let me get rid of that. It doesn't look so nice yet. Okay, done. That is all you have to do, guys. Guys, let me quickly show you. All I'm gonna do is pour a bit of lime juice. A little bit more. There you are. And there you have it. Let me just be careful so I don't burn myself. Okay, where are we looking at? You got your chopped tomatoes, some pickle, some cheese, feta cheese. You got your sujuk sausages, sliced tomatoes, potatoes, my god. And you got some bread. There you have it, guys. Enjoy. Bon appetit.
Tell me, will you really think it's more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up